How to remove blank rows in Excel shortcut? There are three ways to remove blank rows in Excel. So method 1, using go to special. Press Ctrl A 2 times to select the entire data. Then press Ctrl G to get the go to dialog box. Click on Alt S for go to special. Then press Alt K to select blanks and click OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. Then press Ctrl minus, then press Alt R and click OK. Method 2, using the filter option. Press Ctrl A 2 times to select all the data. Select Alt D FF to apply the filter. Press Alt down arrow and then press the down arrow. Click space bar, click end button and again click space bar, click OK. You can select the blank rows and press shift space bar to select the entire rows. Then press Alt colon to select only the required cells or rows. Then press Ctrl minus to delete the rows. Now the next method is using formula and filter. Type equal to count blank and select entire range and go to the bottom. Press Ctrl Shift up arrow and press Ctrl D. Press Ctrl Home to go to the top and press Alt D F for the filter. Press Ctrl right arrow, then press Alt down arrow, then press the down arrow again, click spacebar. For example, if you have all the 4 columns at blank rows, then only you want to remove. Then press the spacebar and click enter. Now press Ctrl Shift down arrow, then Shift spacebar to select all the rows, then Alt semicolon to select the required rows, then Ctrl minus to remove the rows.